I'm Abby, design engineer here at Freedom Vans, and today we'll be checking out this badass build which our team really pulled off to make a work of art. Let's check it out. So up front we have a CA-tuned Hammerhead Bumper with some Baja Designs LP6 amber lights. The CA-tuned bumper comes with a Smitty built winch so that they can pull themselves out of difficult situations or haul other things. For this build, we upgraded the suspension. We added front and rear shocks and sumo springs. We also included 17-inch Black Rhino wheels. So Tom custom welded us a passenger side step so that getting into the van is super easy. It has grip at all angles, so even if you have a little bit of your foot on, you still can make it in. So on the back of the vans, we have an Owl Vans rear door ladder with a tire carrier. We also installed a backwoods bumper with rear lights. Up top, we also have reverse lights just to help you out when you're reversing in night mode. Up top, we have a custom Freedom Vans roof rack, which includes two 375-watt solar panels, a Max Air fan, and then an insert for this Fiamma awning. Up front, we also have a 52-inch curved high beam light bar, so you get that extra light at night when you need it. Let's check out the inside of the van. Outside here, we have a nice flip down tabletop, giving you lots of extra outdoor table space when you just want to hang out and have a place to set your beers or cook things, or maybe have a charcuterie board. So up top here, we have a headliner cabinet. We love our headliners. They give you so much extra storage so you can store your window covers, extra tabletops, and bug screens. Down here, we have a passenger side lagoon table. We have two lagoon tables in this van so that both of the clients will be able to work while they are traveling. Our team had a ton of fun with this build. The client wanted us to have some creative freedom to come up with cool ideas and really just put our touch on this. One of those touches is this gorgeous Epoxy River countertop. On this flip-up table, we have a constant Epoxy River running front to back and an additional sink cover that has some gorgeous epoxy work too. In the front of the galley, we have an Induction cooktop drawer. These drawers are really nice because you're able to remove the Induction cooktop if you ever want to cook outside, but it also creates tons of extra counter space so that you can be cooking, have things prepped. I don't know if you guys cook a lot, but having all the counter space makes all the difference. Below the cooktop, we have a Vitrifrigo 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator. I find that this is a great size for a van. It's small and compact and narrow so that you can keep your galley small so that your aisle is nice and wide. Underneath this gorgeous Epoxy River cutting board, we have a nice undermount stainless steel sink. I love the big sinks just so that you have enough room to do dishes and wash all the things. Our clients also wanted to have filtered water so that they can drink water from wherever they go, and a nice semi-pro faucet. We also went with a magnetic stainless steel backsplash. This is super nice if you ever want to magnet any additional little baskets so that when you're traveling you have extra places to store little things. Underneath the sink we have a 5-gallon gray water jug and the filter system for the drinking water. We also include a Y valve, so if they ever want to drain the water out of the van that they're running from the sink, they have that capability. In back we have a nice front to back long bed. This gives the clients the most room sleeping side to side, and then they don't have to climb over each other to get in and out of bed. Our client also requested that they have some mood lighting in bed, so we installed this LED strip lighting that is programmable to music, and you can change the lights to whatever color you want. In this size van, a lot of clients go with having a wet bath, but these clients decided that they'd rather have some hanging storage. So inside this, we have nice hanging storage, and also the stereo system is connected here. This stereo system is pretty badass. They have surround sound with LED light speakers, and they have an awesome bass, so these clients will be able to bump tunes wherever they want. Over here we have a nice cozy 2-person dinette. This lagoon table drops down and it will become a nice long bench seat. It also has the gorgeous Epoxy River that I'm absolutely obsessed with as the tabletop. So on the driver's side we have two great upper cabinets, which gives you plenty of room for extra storage. And we also have a nice small one over the galley. Upper cabinets are really nice because they have undermount lighting that illuminate your workspace. Let's check out their gear storage in the garage. Here we have two nice long gear trays. In each tray they'll be able to fit 2 bikes and a little bit of extra stuff too. On the driver's side, we have a 400 amp hour power system with a 3000 watt inverter. When we install a 3000 watt inverter, we also include an AC distribution panel. We also installed an air compressor so that they can inflate and deflate their tires whenever they go off-roading on sandy surfaces. Over on the passenger side, we have a 30-gallon water system with a 4-gallon hot water heater. We also included a high pressure pump so that they'll be able to hose down any dirty gear and not have an issue getting any mud off. This van also has a rear door shower, and you can just connect it here and hang it up and spray Hannah when you turn it on. I just want to give a shout out to our team who really leveled up on this build. From the ceiling to the epoxy river countertops and all the little details, it really came together as a work of art, and I'm so in love with it. Thank you so much for joining me for this tour, and I'll see you next time.